Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. My name is Peter Oluoch. I'm a stock market researcher and investor in the stock market. I talk to people about the stock market and tell them to save, invest, and grow wealth in the stock market. Very simple. Why do I do this? I do this because of one thing. According to Retirement Benefits Authority, RBA, they say that as we grow old, we grow poorer. And according to their research, Kenyans, those who are 60 years and above, 90% of them are poor. 90% of them are poor. And so as we are growing older, instead of us getting richer, we are getting poorer. And so Kenya is a country with so many poor people. And I have discovered the formula for being rich. And the formula is very simple. Save 1,000 shillings per month, times 12 months, times 10 years, and grow this money at a rate of 50% return per month in the stock market. You'll be rich. If you can save more, let's say you save 10,000 per month, times 12 months, times say 5 years or 10 years, the money grows significantly. In fact, if you can save 10,000 per month, times 12 months, times 10 years, the money grows to nearly 10 million. And so, ladies and gentlemen, I'm telling people, we must all save, we must all invest, and we must all grow wealth in the stock market. Why do I say this? I'm borrowing the message, the wisdom from Alice Schroeder. He wrote a book about Warren Buffett. Warren Buffett is the richest stock market investor, and this is what he says. Buffett waved a book in the air. This book was the intellectual underpinnings of the 1929 stock market mania. Edgar Lawrence Smith, Common Stocks as Long-Term Investment, proved that stocks always yielded more than bonds. Smith identified 5 reasons, but the most novel of these was the fact that companies retained some of their earnings, which they could reinvest at the same rate of return. So listen to me. Stocks give better return than bonds. Let me add this. Stocks give better return than putting your money in the bank. Stocks give better returns than putting your money in the money market fund.